What's good, guys? It's your boy 15G Saltwater Tank here. Today we're going to be doing a top 5 beginner fish you should have in your saltwater tank. If you're just starting off, this is the perfect video for you. So here we are. Let's get into the first fish right now. So our first fish on the list has to be the lawnmower blenny. The lawnmower blenny is not only just a fish that will catch people's eyes, but they also clean your tank as they are great algae eaters. Since they are algae eaters, I don't recommend to get a lawnmower blenny in your tank if your tank hasn't been cycling for 2 months or 1 month at least. These guys look like eels and they are very funny looking. They aren't aggressive at all and will never cause problems with your fish. And they're reef safe. Coming in second place is gonna have to be the firefish. These guys look amazing in tanks and they have a half colorway. I recommend having a rocky, sandy type of environment for these guys as they like to hide in small holes to make themselves feel safe. But when it's feeding time, they will come out and grab food. I personally own one of these and they are amazing fish. The firefish is a hardy fish and he is reef safe. Coming in the third spot is going to be the Royal Grandma Basslet. These guys are like the firefish with their unique half colors. These guys require low maintenance. They are very peaceful fish. These guys add so much color to your reef tank. They are very hardy and they are reef safe. Not only is this a fish that beginners want, but this is a fish everyone wants to get their hands on. Coming in the fourth spot is the green chromis. These guys have really bright colors and makes a bright blue shine when the light hits against their bodies. These guys are schooling fish, so I recommend to not just get one, but at least 5 of these guys in your tank. Green chromis are very active fish and love swimming around your whole entire tank. They are peaceful fish, nice looking, and reef safe. In the 5th spot comes the 6-line wrasse. I also personally own one of these guys and they are pretty fish. I recommend not to put smaller fish in him as he will go around the tank and harass other smaller fish. He's done this before to my clownfish. As these guys grow, they get a little more aggressive. But these guys are great at getting rid of pests like bristleworms, parasitic paramelectic snails, and flatworms. You can only put one of these guys per tank. The 6-line wrasse is a very active fish and has nice purple color with stripes on him. These guys are also reef safe. Thanks for sticking all the way to the end of the video. I'm not even gonna add the clownfish on the list because he's in every single list, every single video, and I don't want to waste your guys' time. But yeah, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. If you guys want me to do a top 5 fishes to avoid or top 5 best cleanup crew, hit that like button. Comment down below what video you want me to do next. And yeah, peace out, guys.